Hello again, guys. Welcome to a new video, and probably this is a quick one only, guys, because yeah, I was saving my data or gigabytes, because I don't know if I'm run out or I'm still good to go for my data. And how you guys doing? I know you guys going good. Good afternoon, Philippines, and good evening, Canada. What a really rough week and super busy, guys. Because well, we start with the when I came in this afternoon, because it's a bit cold outside and windy, and I'm just walking, and as soon I went to that screening test, my temperature is a bit low, and the physician and the nurses was asking me, how come your temperature is a bit low? I said, guys, I'm walking. And they asked me, no, you cannot go, you have to wait at least your temperature is a bit up. So I have to roam around for a bit, remove my jacket, and within 5 minutes I got my temperature is like 35.9, I guess. So they asked me a go signal, and yeah, and then said, oh, you're good to go, you're good for work. And I was like, oh, thank you, guys. Yeah, you know, because you cannot, if your temperature is low or too high, you cannot get in at the hospital, guys. It's the mandatory protocol do of this NCOV 19. And I always updated regarding about this situation right now, like the whole world like this. And last Friday I attended to that in-house forum here in the hospital that I work with one of our boss. She's a senior operating officer acute services. She was telling us that we got still enough PPEs that we can wear. And before we start that, I've been seeing outside some of my friends and colleagues, they're just wearing a wrong PPE. So I don't know if they're listening to the news, because please guys, if you want to use PPEs, like for example, we just start with a mask. If you want to use a regular mask or surgical mask, just use that one. If you're not comfortable with that, if you want to use N95, you can use that one as well. Because I've been seeing lately outside in the bus station, mall of some of my colleagues, they put N95, and next to N95 is surgical mask. That's a very wrong, guys. So please don't do that. And now let's get started. The week is really tough, but I'm still smiling. I'm good to work, and yeah, and I just went to the elevator. Two of my colleagues, they said they're scared. Said, guys, please don't be scared. Just relax, take a deep breath, just take extra precaution, and we have to follow the procedures and the protocol. And okay, we're done with that. And next one is the yeah, because for the past couple weeks, this is the busiest and rough week, because I was down about 5 or 6 colleagues of mine, because they call in sick, and I don't know, probably they're not fit to work. So now I got another put up of my duty run, and the same thing as my colleagues. And I got extra put up of my duty work, so I don't mind with that. And as long we went there since last week, we're having a bit problem about the PPEs, because we're doing a lot of the massive precaution, like contact and droplet to it. So yeah, and then yeah, and today I brought this one up to my manager and my supervisor, because it's hard for me that I have to go up and down, roaming around to find a PPE. It's a waste of time, guys. That's why I I was talking to my manager and my supervisor to bring up their attention. Please guys, if you see that precaution like contact and droplet to it, make sure you follow the proper procedure, proper protocol, that what PPE that you use. That's why I was bringing it to this my manager and my supervisor, because they don't have the PPEs, especially the face mask, not like the face mask, the face shield, including that plastic to it. So because it's this hospital is big guys, so it's a waste of time if I go up and down looking for PPEs, because I already told my two of my colleagues, because we got another put up with extra workload that we have to move, have to do another area to do that another stuff. But we don't mind that. We're here to help, we're ready to work, but we're not gonna go in if we don't have the proper PPEs or proper how you call that, the contact droplet that you wear it. And the last thing, I was explaining it to them, to my supervisor as well, because I've been seeing some of my colleagues that they're not wearing a proper PPEs, and they went into that room, the contact and droplet precaution to it. Please guys, be safe, be wise and healthy. Don't take a risk, please, 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 especially right now, because this is not a joke guys. Yeah, this that's why I have to bring up with the management right away, because we need some PPEs. And he answered me that, Chris, I have to email this to bring this one to their attention, because it's for our health, and same thing for my health and for my colleague and their family as well. Because like I said, I'm not gonna get in if I don't have a proper PPEs to wear. That's why I was explaining to my supervisor, my manager, that please guys, email them that they have, as long I came there with me and my colleague, make sure they have leave at least 3 complete PPEs. That's why we can do our job, because I'm not gonna do it if this is no right PPEs. Yeah, so probably that's it for now. So it's been a really rough week and crazy here at work, but be safe, be wise, stay healthy, and thank you for watching guys. I'll see you next time. Peace out.